Christian Huck here, Insight Media. It's CES 2026. I'm in the Tianma booth with Dale Manor. It's going to take us through some of the micro LED. Right now, we are looking at this new micro LED demonstrator, a 4K micro LED TV. Tell us more about this, Dale.
So this is a tiled micro LED display. The tiles are 8.9 inches. We tiled those into a 27-inch display, and then the 27-inch displays are tiled to make the 108-inch display. As you noted and can see in some of the images, you can see what the tiles look like, but within each tile, the uniformity is really good. So the reason you can see individual tiles right now is just a matter of there wasn't enough time to tune every tile before the show. But the seam width is really good at 20 microns because we're using an LTPS glass backplane, and we're able to wrap the traces around the edges of each tile.
Yes, and actually that was a technique that Samsung also used with AUO to some of their early micro LED TVs. So sounds like Tianma thought it was a good idea.
Indeed.
However, there are now glass via technologies out there, so that may in the future allow you to go away from the edge connectors and actually do glass vias with metal conductors, which would be revolutionary.
Yeah, I've seen the papers on that, but that was related to panel level fan out for mounting ICs and SoCs to a glass substrate.
It can be, but it could be for
right. I could see where it could be applied to a display as well.
Yeah. So Tianma also says this is an all laser manufacturing process. So I think it's 2 laser steps, right?
To the best of my knowledge, that is correct. There's the release step from the substrate to the intermediate carrier, and then from the carrier to the LTPS backplane.
Right. Okay. All right. Well, looks impressive. But this is still a prototype. They haven't announced any commercialization yet, correct?
Correct. We are not in the TV business, so this is a technology demo.